Hello everyone and welcome back to Global Desk with Damilola. Today we are diving into one of the biggest questions every new freelancer asks. Where can I find online jobs and how do I know which clients to trust? If you're ready to start earning online without falling for scams, this video will guide you through the exact steps you need. There are thousands of websites claiming to offer online jobs, but only few of them are worth your time. So here are the top 5 platforms recommended for beginners. They are trusted globally and used by millions of freelancers. Number 1 is freelancer.com. Number 2 is upwork.com. Number 3 is fiverr.com. Number 4 is guru.com. Number 5 is PeoplePerHour.com. Now, each one of these allow you to find both general and specialized jobs, whether you are a writer, designer, tutor, or just starting out with basic skills. Now, you may want to ask, why these 5 websites? Well, it is because they give you global outreach. They are consistent job offerers and they have safe payment options. Whether you are in Nigeria, India, or the Philippines, you can work for clients anywhere in the world and get paid directly to your local bank account. Now, if you're completely new, I recommend starting out with freelancer.com because it is easy to use, it is beginner friendly, and has a massive range of jobs from entry-level tasks to expert gigs. Once you gain experience there, you can explore the other websites. Now, let's talk about something that is just as important as finding the right clients. Now, good clients pay you on time. They communicate clearly and they respect your work. But how do you spot them? Now, every freelancing site provides the client's information, which includes ratings, reviews, and verification badges. Now, here is what to look out for before accepting any job. You have to look out for the ratings, the number of reviews, the dollar icon. This dollar icon means that the client has put in money in his freelancing account. So at the end of your project, he will pay you. That is an assurance that you will get paid. The next icon is the credit card icon, which indicates that he has verified his payment method. The next is the email and phone verification, and then complete profile. So once these are complete on a client's project or profile, then that means the client is a legit client and is out there to get his jobs done, and at the end, he will pay you the agreed amount at the start of the project. So still on ideal clients, you can see that this client I'm using as an example is a legit client. See, he has a 5.0/5 rating. He has completed 9 projects. I mean, when you look at this type of client, you'll be interested in working for them. Also, his budget is between $30 to $250. So you can see that this client is a legit client. We're looking at his job post. So when you see a client profile like this, indicating where the client is from, and then the number of projects he has done, the number of reviews he has, and then the year he joined the platform, that will tell you that the client is not a scammer and is legitimate. So this is an ideal client profile. When you get a job or when you see a project that the client profile looks like this, then by all means go ahead to place your bid on such a project. Still on clients, the red flags to watch out for include when clients do not have reviews or payment verifications, when their pay offers are unrealistic, when they are asking you for free samples or deposits or registration fee for the project. Just know that such a person is a scammer. And when their communication is very poor, run away from such projects. They are not meant for you. So this is an example of a client that is not ideal for you as a beginner. When you see a job like this with no reviews, no ratings, I mean, you should think twice before placing your bid on such a project, so that you don't waste your bid and you don't waste your time, or so that you don't even do free work for people who are not ready to pay you. So when you come across profiles like this, no identity verification, no payment verification, no deposits made, no profile completion, please run. And then you see that the person actually just joined the website just recently, maybe today, yesterday, or last week. Please think twice before taking up such projects. Now, no matter which clients you work with or the websites you're working on, always follow these golden rules. You should never pay anyone to get a job, whether it is in form of registration fee or security fee. Don't pay anyone to get a job. You should be the one to be paid for doing a job. You should also always request your milestone payments before you start. Milestone payments are usually put in your project, pending when you would complete and deliver the project. It is an assurance that after you have delivered successfully, you will be paid. So these 2 steps will protect you from fake clients and ensure that you always get paid for your hard work. Now, here's a roadmap for beginners. Your advice is to start with trusted platforms like Freelancer or Upwork. Choose jobs that fit your skills. Study clients' profiles carefully. Follow the golden rules and you build a successful and sustainable online career. So, if you found this video interesting and or helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe and drop a comment telling me which platform you'll be trying first or which one you're already working on. And don't forget to check the video description for helpful freelancing resources. Thanks very much for creating the time to join me today. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.